Hi everyone, today our topic is how to run Jmeter load test in web application. In web application, I need to perform the load test in Jmeter tool. Okay, that is known. Our topic is how to run Jmeter load test in web application. Okay, there are some prerequisites. No? Prerequisites is first of all you need to install the Jmeter tool latest version. Current version is 5.4, sorry, 5.4.1 in 2022. Okay, after Java 1.8 install, after take any one web application. Okay, take any one business flow and provide the test data. Okay, once you need to provide these all things now, after you can generally do correlation, parameterization, page verification. These three will be done now. It's enough. Correlation, parameterization, page verification, and test data. You before only need to set up all the things used to CSP dataset config. Okay, these three will be done. You almost the script is ready for load testing. And how we need to prepare now? First, you need to prepare the one is sorry. First one is test plan in Jmeter. Example, Jmeter is the tool. Jmeter tool. First one is test plan. After two is you can use the HTTP cookie manager, HTTP cache manager, thread group. After recording controller. After all business flow request. All business flow request. 7 is timers. 8 is assertions. Assertions you can use the response assertion. Timer is constant timer, most of the times will be used. Recording controller means is a you can take the through logical controller. Logical controller. Thread group you need to use under the test plan. Okay, and HTTP cookie and cache manager. um, where you need to take this one cookie, it's a config element. There is a one element called config element. Both HTTP cookie and cache manager both will become to the under config element only. Test plan by default available in Jmeter. you can copy this one, you can take to under test plan. Okay, okay. The ninth is through test data, CSV dataset config. Okay, this one also under config element only will be came. Okay, the last one 10 is listeners. Listeners. Okay, this listeners will be came under the both test plan and thread group will be came. You can take anywhere. Which tree you need, you can take it. In under test listeners, mostly you can use some listeners. View results tree. View results tree and view results table. Okay, these are the important things you need to take. After you need to execute the test, execute the load test, you need to mention some parameters. Number of threads you need to provide. Now I need to provide only 10 users only. Okay, 10 users. Ramp up. Ramp up I will provide 5 seconds. Okay, after how many times you need to I need to execute some specific duration. That time what you need to select below ramp up, below there is a one checkbox, means you will available in iteration. In iteration after there is a one check mark available, infinity time, infinity. You have one checkbox now, you need to tick that checkbox. Okay, check the box. After the available duration I need to provide 20 seconds. Okay, actually it's available milliseconds only will be taken, means you need to calculate duration will take in seconds na, that time total 20 minutes you need to execute it. Sorry, it's not seconds, it's a minutes. I will give in the 20 minutes, means you need to calculate that one. 60 minutes, 60 seconds, 1 minute into 20 minutes, total 1200 seconds you need to provide. And this total 10 users na ramp of 5, how we need to calculate it this one na? 10 user divided by 5 is equal to 22 seconds. Each one user will move to the load test. Okay, this is the only format will be executed. Okay, after I will give into the under view results table or anywhere there is a one option available, that is the reports everything you need to complete through Excel. I will provide some path. Example C colon users colon HP slash desktop slash, and I will provide the load test results dot CSV. Okay, I will provide this one through view results table. In view results table I will provided na, it's automatically the results everything will be created under path. Okay, these are the way I need to perform the load test. Okay, now it's a general for theoretical. I will explain. Now I will show you, okay, how we need to do. Okay, I will go to my E drive. Okay, this is my Jmeter. I need to open. I will open the Jmeter directly. One thing, guys, everything, not only from Jmeter, for any tool, any testing or admin or developer or design or database, anything. Okay, beyond practice, keep on practicing. Okay, continuously without leaving. You can keep on practicing. Na? You automatically, the tool, the technology, you are an expert. Okay, some people what you do na, some days you need to work to the one tool and you will leaving and you can go to some other tool na, you're not able to get the full experience and full practical knowledge to any one tool. Okay, that reason you need to choose which tool you require. Example, my point of view, I'm a performance tester. I need to check only one thing. I need a job. Okay, my first preference, I'm very poor family, that reason I need a job. Which tool you have more number of jobs, that is license or open source, it's not a matter. Okay, jobs is available na, it's enough. You need to learn the tool and you need to proceed. It's my professionality, Jmeter. There are so many projects, you know. I'm previously working also in company. It's a big MNC. It's a banking domain. That company totally banking international domain. I'm not able to tell that client details. That bank also means I never see any time bank also using Jmeter only. Currently also I'm German bank, previous United Bank, now German bank. This bank also will using only Jmeter only. Okay, I never question its license also you need to use, but the people is interested only open source only. That reason I will explain my YouTube channel also. First I explain all the things Jmeter. Jmeter totally completed, means all the elements, way of using, how the performance test cycle will be working, and clouds how we need to use it, and the performance engineering, everything will be done. After I will move to the license tools. At the same time, in Jmeter using from Groovy scripting, Bean Shell, JEXL script, JavaScript, Java programming, I will explain one by one based on the concept. Okay, how we need to write the code, what is the use. Okay, I will explain one by one. uh, Actually this is not our target for the this video. Okay, just I will explain to you. Okay, you need to open the Jmeter now. This is the Jmeter, guys. I'm already prepared the script, means this is only load test now, that reason I'm already prepared the script. Okay, I need to open. This is my script, parameterization .jmx I will given. Okay. Okay guys, this is my script. Now I need to explain. This is the test plan. Under test plan, you need to add it to the thread group. After I will add it to the CSV dataset config. E colon username.txt username and password will provided. I will parameterize only username and passwords only. Remaining I did not parameterize anything. After I need anything in test plan, I need to what I need to do now. I need there is a config element, HTTP cookie manager, HTTP cache manager. These two now you can go on. Yeah. This is for demo test, that is the tree structure is available only limited only in some example. Some applications you need have multiple threads, so many requests available, you need to calculate that one in one test plan only. There are multiple thread groups, so many requests, and you need to mention to the proper phasing and think time details and user load distribution. Okay, my next videos I will provide keep on that one. Okay, cookie you need to select this all the details is not required now. After I will explain what is the use, how we need to use this one. Just you can mention to the clear cookie each iteration you need to clear the cookies. Catchy also same only. Okay, thread group will be done and the csv data set config. Recording control I've used. This is the request. Okay, I will use the jpet store application. You also go and check to the jpet store example. Yeah, this is the application guys. Jpet store demo application. It's a very simple. Click on enter the store na. Yeah, this is the application. This is jpet store. Some application red pet store also available, you can try. Okay, any application for practicing purpose only. Okay, after I use it the constant timer 1000 seconds and a response assertion. I select main sample and response code contents I will selected. He will match it to the 200 na. He will pass. There is a lot of difference guys this one. Okay, you need to learn this one. Contain matches equal substring not or. Not and or will be used. Multiple response assertions or assertions will be used, that time will used. This one substring also same only. This three I will explain. Contain means he will match anything, not only one. Any request will be matched to the 200, it's passed. Matches means it's need exact match 200 only will pass, otherwise will be failed. Means the case sensitiveness only will increase it and decrease it. Equal means you need exact this one 200, that time only will pass it. Substring means you already added one assertion and you need to add any another assertion, that time you need to select to the substring. Means first one you need to verify and second one also will verify, and two assertions will be added, you need to select not. You selected the not, and not will be selected now, that time both without this any assertion what is the detail will provided, except that one anything another will become na, it's pass, otherwise will fail. Or will be selected na, in two assertions. First one it's not available, but second one is available, it's pass. That is the way will be used. You need to practice this one. Okay, you need to check two three times request how we need to work, and what is the use, how we need to verify. And this one also field test, text response, response code, response message, response header, and a request header, url sample, document text, ignore status, request data, and this main sample and subsample, main sample, subsamples, jmeter variable name and use. These are all the parameters na. You're not able to try to explain only one request only, it's not possible. But one thing you need to practice one by one na, you able to understand clearly which one what purpose will be used everything na. You know practically how we need to use, what is the way of work will be done, you need which one you need to selected, that time you able to do anything anytime. Okay, otherwise blindly you need to select only one, this one only will select and you need to move na. That is not a proper way. Okay. Okay, now I need to select the contain and 200 will be selected, exact this one will be matched and I will pass it. This headers everything recording time only will be came. Okay guys, this is the same only, remaining all the request also same I will select it. Okay, I will close it now. Okay, I will provide this so many results. One is the view results T, summary report, aggregate report, accession results, simple data writer. Okay, now what I need to do now, I will provide one location. I will take the E location, go to the Jmeter, simple data writer, I will provide the E location. Name is load test results 10.csv. Okay, remember guys, is the format is very important. You need to provide the .csv or .jtl. These two formats only will acceptable, and you need to save. After, and go to the thread group. You can see I will provide the number of threads. Number of threads is only 10 users only. I'm not used more than only 10 threads I used. Ramp up I will provided actually 10 users na. I will provided myself only. This is the demo test only na. That reason I will given 5. Means every 2 seconds one user will be moving to under load test. Infinity I selected. I need to run specific time na. Thread specify thread lifetime. Duration is provided only 300. I will provided the 1200. Means I need to run for the test 20 minutes duration. Okay, reports everything will become this location. E colon load test results 10.csv. This is the thread guys. 10 users, 5 seconds ramp up, 20 minutes duration. Okay. Now I need to run the test. Okay, I need to saved. Okay. Just you need to go to the view results tree. You need to enable this one, and just you need to start the test. Yeah, test is running now. You can go to your E drive. You can see load test results 10.csv format will be generated. It's a running now. You don't touch anything. Just you need to watch it. The test is execution. Once completed now, I will show you how we need to do. You can add the one more also. It did not run. It did not showing anything. Maybe before only I need to configure. Okay, no problem. You can see there are so many results will be executed now without any issues. Aggregate report also will be showing. This is the view results tree guys. It will showing everything now. You can select any one request now, automatically will showing response code 200 is pass, and request this is the request will be sent, and response this is the response will be came. Okay, and the summary report it will provided the this is the label means it's a request. What is the request? 1 2 3 4 5 6 samples. Each request how many samples means a request will be executed, count and total count will be showing. Is average response time, minimum, maximum, standard deviation sometime will ask, sometime we did not ask clients, but error side is very important, 0 percentage. Throughput is very very important point. Total request point of view 1.2 seconds and total 7.1. It's a sent and received the network connections. This is the network point of view, it's average. Okay, most of the time clients were looking only how many requests will be executed, total how much, average response time, error percentage, throughput, network in and out. Some clients is not required for in and out, only I need only average only. Okay, that is also will be provided the SLAs. Everything you need to provide SLA. Before SLA only will become it's accepted. But you don't worry. Our target is based on the client requirement. You need to ask the all the requirement details, take the requirement, prepare the scripts based on what is the test you're looking for. You need to base that user load. You need to execute the test and share the detailed report. That's all. As for the performance tester, your job is done. As for the performance engineer, engineer means it's a monitoring tools. Example, Perpmon, Sitescope, eHealth, Grafana, Pinpoint, Dynatrace, AppDynamics, New Relic, Splunk, Datadog. These are the tools will be used. Na? That is a totally different story for performance engineering. Okay, I will explain after that one. I will create one playlist and I will post it the enter all the details that one how we need to use, how to download, install, how to use all the things. And nowadays latestly will come performance cloud engineer or performance cloud tester also. You can call any name. This one mostly using for stack. Tool name is stack. Second one stack trace. These two is open source cloud will providers and license AWS, Azure, GCP will be provided. Most of the companies will looking for AWS, Azure, GCP only, but some small scale companies will looking for still stack and stack trace only will be using. Okay, that one also how we need to do cloud point of view, and you need to learn some automation, Selenium tools, and functional testing also, and the CI/CD pipeline, continuous build and continuous deployment tools. Okay, this all the things you required for you are one of the efficient performance test engineer in company point of view. But this many technologies and tools anyone is did not learn totally. He will take lot of experience. Okay, that reason currently your job point of view, which tools you looking for, that one you can learn. That is enough. And manageable English. You are an expert for English. It is very great. Otherwise, you need to manage that one. Means you need to prepare the reports. You need to sentence formation, clear words without any mistakes. You need to learn that self. My intention is only one. You need to work independently, not dependent to the any team members or a manager or team lead. Don't do that way. Any issue you only solve and you need to work. Okay. And yeah, this is the summary report. Aggregate report. Now you will provide the same samplers, average, and 90, 95, 99 response time. Most of the time will be taken to the 95. 95 means 95% of response is good and remaining 5% will be higher response time. You can remove to the remaining last 5%. Remaining 95% response time will be taken. That is the 95 percentile line. I will show you in graphs format how is the 95 percentile will be taken. The error percentage, throughput, same sentence received. It's not available in average, only sentence received only available. You can provide same only, but you need to provide the KBs only. Remember this one, this is a very important point. KBs only, KB per second only you need to provide the results to the clients. Clients also will looking for only KBs only, not for MBs or GBs. Assertions he will showing for each results anything will be failed now with clear details will be provided. Now there is no any issues. That result will successfully executing uh, request, and I will provide this format. Now you can see there is a some number and it's provided. This is the project name, project code. 112233 is the project code. Jpet store is the application name. This is the transaction name. This is the transaction count. Any company will follow. This is the only format. Otherwise, just I will explain only these details. You need anything will be changing, yeah, you can change it. Anyone never question to you. Simple data writer only did not showing anything. Just you need to configure that self. Okay. If now I'm not able to click that one. Okay. Once test will be completed, I will show you. Just you need to provide location path and provide mandatory .csv or .jtl file formats. The test results everything will store to this location. View result table now I will add it. That reason it's not configured, it's not showing anything. And remember guys, this is for just Demo purpose I will given. Otherwise, you what you did, you need to do now. You can go to simple data writer. You need to give the this location, and you need to disable this all the listeners. It's a very high level memory consumption. That reason you need to close this all the things. Means you need to disable. How you need to disable? Now just right click, go to disable. That's all. It's disabled. Okay, once you disable also, this type of one, you will provide the location path. Na, you will generate the reports. Everything will be generated. You don't worry. Okay. After you need to go to in test execution time, you can go and check. Yeah, you can go to the performance tab, go to task manager under performance tab. Oh, what is the utilization of CPU? You can see total 99%, memory 85%, disk disk also 19 to 25% will be used. It's a network. Okay, it keep on changing. I'm not able to tell you how much percentage will used, but majorly you can take the CPU, memory. Network means is a Wi-Fi I used. That point of view, network only will become, and disk. These details you need to provide. Just you can wait. Uh, you can see total 10 out of 10 will be running. Na? The total 9 minutes, 48, almost 10 minutes will be completed. Remaining just 10 minutes only. You can just watch it. Just hold on, guys. Remaining just 7 minutes. Will be done the test. Yeah, remaining just 5 minutes only. Will be done the test. Just remaining only 3 minutes only. Will be done the test. Yeah, remaining just for 1 minute only. We'll complete the test. Okay, during execution, except script issues, script side any issues will become na you only need to solve that one. Otherwise, any server side, any code failures or any connection timeouts, the type of issues will become na that everything will be logs will generated. Example, your simple data writer, you provided the log na, this log will be stored. That logs you need to take that issues everything, and you need to prepare your mail now. You need to clear that one clearly. You can mention that one what type of issues will be generated. All issues you need to report it to the clients. Okay, during execution the type of issues also will be came automatically. Clients will route it to the developers and developers will be solved. And some situations you directly report it to the development team also. That is based on your project how we need to work. Okay, yeah, 20 minutes the test is completed. Now you need to go back to this is the test guys. Load test results 10. Okay guys, this is the report. This is for demo test, but you can run from the large level of load now. It will come some more options also will be came and large data will be generated. Just you can click anywhere one cell and press the control shift L will be pressed and this combo box will be came, and you need to check the how many total request, how much of minimum average maximum response time, how many request will be came to the example 200 302. You need to check mark, you need to select it na? That one will be filtered, and the response also same. If there is no any failures, and success rate true only will become no false. Okay, anything will be failed now. You can run from a large number of load and multiple distributed load of test. That time there are so many requests also will be failed. Okay, that all issues you need to report it to the directly through developers or client. Okay, otherwise you need to send it to, there are so many groups available na, in DLLs, group DLLs. In company point of view, that the group DLLs you need to send the report to, there are so many people will receive that report, not only clients, not only development team, admin team, database team, so many people will interact at that application. That reason all the people will receive your reports. Okay, that time you can send only one report now, all the people will receive and you will understand what type of issues will be came. Once the issue will become application working team or a development team, you will understand exactly what is the issue will become. He will conduct to the another meetings to you. Otherwise you only need to conduct to the development team and you need to discuss that one. Okay, what type of situation that error will be occurred and what is the main problem, how we need to able to resolve that issues, your previous experience, how we need to recommend it. That all the details you need to explain to development team na, the development team will be solved. Okay, that is the process, but development team is not solved. Just he will moving to next release. The people's also very busy. It's not able to do anything. Any production issues only will be solved. That is everything priority severity level only. Otherwise, he did not solve any issues. He will moving to next level. That's all. Yeah, yeah. That's all, guys. This video. Our topic is fulfilled. How to run Jmeter load test in web application. Okay, it's a completed. Okay, I will connect to my next video. Thank you very much for everyone. Bye.